If you're planning to make investments to save money on your energy bills, we're here to help. In just 15 minutes, you can join hundreds of other businesses in Wales and benefit from interest-free funding for energy efficiency and renewable energy. Loans are available from £3,000 up to £200,000 at 0% APR. And recent changes to the loan scheme means that eligible businesses in Wales can now access more funding for each tonne of CO2 saved. So, how do you begin? Start off by checking your eligibility. Make sure that you operate in a sector that's permissible under state aid regulations, that you're making the necessary on-site fossil fuel or grid electricity savings, and that you have the minimum trading equipment. If you're eligible, congratulations, you're now only 3 steps away from accessing up to £200,000 in interest-free funding. Step 1. Gather your supporting documentation as shown in our Steps to Success booklet. For a limited company, you just need 5 things: a quotation from your chosen supplier, some energy saving calculations which your supplier can provide, a 12-month summary of your energy use evidenced by utility bills, a business bank statement, and a completed beneficial owners declaration. Unincorporated companies, clubs and associations can also apply, but we do require some further supporting documentation from them. Step 2. Once you have your documents ready, head over to our website carbontrust.com/WalesLoans and click to apply. Complete all the sections, upload your supporting documentation, and then you're ready to submit. If you need any support, we're available to help Monday to Friday. Step 3 is where we take over and process your application through to an offer. That usually takes us up to 10 working days, as long as you've submitted all the supporting documentation. Once you've received your loan agreement, you can place your order. Unfortunately, we don't support retrospective projects, so you must get your offer in place before you order any equipment. A wide range of energy efficiency and renewable projects can be considered for the 0% APR loan scheme, including lighting, heating, refrigeration and many more. In the past, we have helped many sectors of industry transform their businesses, reach energy efficiency targets and save money. The Energy Efficiency Loan Fund has helped 700 businesses in Wales save over £9 million on their annual fuel costs, ultimately helping them become part of a more sustainable, low-carbon economy. Find out how much you can save today by contacting the loans team on 0207 170 7000 or loans@carbontrust.com, or discover more online at carbontrust.com/WalesLoans.